Coronavirus is continuing its spread around the world, with nearly 4 million confirmed cases in 187 countries. Over 276,000 people have lost their lives. The United States alone has more than 1.2 million confirmed cases, 5 times as many as any other country. The director of China's National Health Commission, Li Bin, has admitted that the pandemic has exposed weaknesses in the country's public health system. He says the country will now improve its disease prevention, public health system, and data collection. Meanwhile, Chinese President Xi Jinping has offered to help North Korea in tackling the coronavirus in a message to its leader Kim Jong-un. North Korea has repeatedly insisted it has no confirmed COVID-19 infections, crediting this supposed success to strict containment measures and the closure of its borders early. In Europe, with coronavirus restrictions still in place, the streets of Moscow were unusually empty as the country marked the 75th anniversary of Victory Day. Instead, President Vladimir Putin and other officials took part in low-key commemorations. The number of infections in the country has been rising by more than 10,000 a day since Sunday. Elsewhere, Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has called on people to exercise total caution ahead of partial relaxation of the country's lockdown. He says loosening the nearly 2-month lockdown will be for nothing if people don't obey social distancing rules. And over in Ghana, more than 500 workers at an industrial facility have tested positive for the coronavirus, bringing the total number of cases in the country to 4,012. That figure represents the highest case total in West Africa, although Ghana has also conducted by far the most tests in the region.